A bipartisan panel of Texas state legislators is holding a hearing today involving the death row inmate whose execution was postponed last week. Robert Roberson was convicted of killing his 2-year-old daughter in 2002. He would have become the first person executed for murder linked to shaken baby syndrome. But the Texas Supreme Court issued a last-second stay of his execution Thursday night. His attorneys say evidence show his daughter did not die from abuse, but from complications related to severe pneumonia. CBS News national correspondent Nikki Battiste is at the Capitol in Austin with more. Nikki, you've been following all of sort of the twists and turns of this story. Roberson was supposed to testify by video conference from prison today. What happened?
Twists and turns is the understatement of the day, Lindsay. Robert Roberson was supposed to be here in person, then he was going to be here by video, and that's the controversy. His lawyer and the Texas lawmakers who basically got him this stay of execution say this is a man who has been diagnosed with autism. He needs to be here in person. He's been in prison for 21 years. He doesn't really know how to use Zoom. He's not familiar with modern technology. And his autism and that fact together just make it essentially unfair to try to put him through this as a video testimony. So as we speak, they're battling it out whether or not he'd be allowed to testify in person. Realistically, he's about 4 hours away in his prison cell as we speak. It'd be unlikely if they did come to an agreement that he would be here today. The other issue, which is bigger than Robert Roberson, is this separation of powers, different branches of governments battling this out. Texas Governor Greg Abbott, who has been largely silent just this morning, basically condemned these lawmakers who were holding this hearing, saying, I'm the only person with the power to issue any sort of clemency. Lindsay?
So what is happening at this hearing without Roberson?
So as we speak right now, Dr. Phil is testifying. He believes in Robertson's innocence. Grisham, John Grisham, the author, is expected, we're told, to testify next. A lot going on here. A lot of people, bipartisan lawmakers, celebrities, authors, speaking out for Robert Roberson, saying this man is innocent. And you can see behind me opponents, people, the public, opponents of the death penalty here, protesters. There's a lot going on. Lindsay?
So given that it has already been so complicated to get here, do we have any idea what happens next in this case? Obviously, the immediacy of it will be, does he in fact testify in person or in Zoom in this hearing? But then what happens after?
That's the big question. These lawmakers, this hearing is really about the junk science law, this Texas law, and whether or not it worked in this case as it relates to shaken baby syndrome. Robertson's lawyer told me these lawmakers don't have the power to grant Roberson a new trial, but that is the ultimate hope that that might happen. Worst case scenario, at the very least, Roberson would have a new execution date 90 days or later from now, so no earlier than mid-January. Lindsay?
Okay, Nikki Battiste, we know you'll continue to follow it. Thank you.
Thank you.